If your school accepts online payments through Populi, it's a breeze to get settled up. After you log into Populi, you'll see this alert if any invoices have been posted to your account. Click the alert, and you'll be taken directly to the payment page. Front and center is an overview of the amounts you owe and when they're due. If someone else is paying your bill, just click here and copy the link. Then share it with whoever you like. The link will be good for 30 days. But let's say you're taking care of the bill and you want to learn more about it. Click Detailed Charges for a breakout of specific fees and any financial aid that comprise your total amount owed. All of this looks good, so we'll go ahead and start filling out the payment information form. Don't worry, everything's encrypted and your info is secure. For this example, we'll use electronic check for our payment method. If you choose to pay with a credit card, take note that your school might charge a small convenience fee for that transaction. If everything looks right, you can click Pay Now and be done. But just so you know, some schools enable recurring payments, which you can see here. These are either monthly scheduled payments or according to a payment plan which your school set up. Choose whichever you prefer, then click Begin Payment Plan. If you have more questions about paying your bill through Populi, visit our knowledge base at support.populiweb.com for help.